Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll be doing that builder in a bottle on natural nail. So like, subscribe and hit that bell. So there I'm putting on dehydrator on my client because she's a nail biter. So then to have extra oil on their nails, so I dehydrate nail biter especially, but everyone is dehydrated to remove natural oils from the nail. Now I'm adding gel primer to the nail, and you must be wondering, so short of a nail. Yes, that's what she brought, and she wanted on her natural nail, so we give her the service she's asking for. So we dehydrate now with gel primer. Now we're going to add our base coat. So a very thin layer of base coat or Sunbrand's Color Foundation gel. So we're adding on our base coat. If you hear a sound in the background, that's my daughter trying to get my attention on something. For 90 seconds. Now we're going to apply a thin layer of our builder gel on all 10 fingers. But as for the structure of the builder gel, I'm going to only show you one nail. Alright guys, so one nail we're going to use. Yes, so I'm showing the builder thin layer on all the nails, but only for the structure on one finger, because the same concept will be done on all 10 nails. So I'm just showing you one finger. was going for a natural look, and that's what this builder that we use is a natural color. You can barely tell that she has on anything. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. I did a close-up of how I applied the builder gel for the structure, and now we're applying our top coat to give it that glossy look. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.